Let's talk a
100%.
little bit about full service laundry. You had mentioned. How is that going? What percentage of your business does that really represent? Are you putting a lot of emphasis on that? The wash, dry, fold, the pickup and delivery, that type of full service offering.
Yeah. So self-service is there on its own.
Mhm.
There a couple stores are doing really well with the drop-off services, and a couple stores one of them does a slower than the other three, and it's just because of location, right? That one location doesn't require high drop-off services, no matter what you do, how much you offer, and you just have to accept that. But it's there. The signs are there. The staff is there. The inventory is there, and it gets done, but it's not as busy as the other three stores. And the other three stores, they're doing really well. It's not 50% or of what self-service is doing, but it's enough to be like, hey, it pays for the payroll, hey, it pays for the commissions, hey, it pays for some sort of bills, and then bring some money home as well, right?
Mhm, mhm.
And then the pickup and delivery, that one is doing as much, if not around what self-service is, right? But payrolls tremendously high, right? With
Yeah.
the drivers and the folders, and so the numbers are really high, but a lot of it gets thrown out through the window when you do the payroll, right?
Right.
So you're left with a slice or two of the pizza at the end, but it works. It's working. It works out.